Okay, now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this is what you have to understand. Application of process. Internal energy. So Cp is definitely greater than Cv. Cp definitely greater than Cv. By how much? By R. This is what the Mayer's relation. This is called Mayer, Mayer's relation. First law of thermodynamics applied to isothermal process. Acha, before that, one more point let me teach. Monoatomic gas Cv is equal to 3R by 2. Cp then will be plus R. So it will be 5R by 2. Gamma Cp by Cv. Gamma is a constant. It is a constant simply. Don't think that it is volume expansion coefficient. That part is over. Gamma is different now. Gamma is what? Ratio of molar heat capacity at a constant pressure to molar heat capacity at a constant volume. So this is coming out to be equal to 5 by 3 for monoatomic gas, 1.66. For a diatomic gas Cv, 5R by 2 and Cp, sorry, 7R by 2 here, correct, 5R by 2 plus R. So gamma is coming out to be equal to 7 by 5, 1.4. Air is diatomic, nitrogen, oxygen basically. Polyatomic gas Cv 6 degrees of freedom, 6R by 2. So Cp plus R 8R by 2. So gamma 4 by 3, 1.33. Gamma has thus only three values. Gamma is having only three values, 1.66, 1.4, 1.66, 1.4, 1.33. That's all. Only three values for gamma. Depending upon mono, di, poly. Mono, di, poly. Is this clear?
Yes.
First law of thermodynamics applied to isothermal process. Isothermal process First law of thermodynamics applied to isothermal process. Here what happens? Isothermal process, here temperature constant. When temperature is constant, delta U will be 0. When temperature is constant, delta U will be 0. Okay, so what is happening? The supplied heat delta Q, the supplied heat delta Q completely used to do work W. That means internal energy the gas will never use. If you supply heat, give food, it will do job. Otherwise, it will not do job. Okay. So delta W we did in the last class. It is mu RT ln V2 by V1. The same is the heat added. So if you give food to eat, it will do job for you, gas will do job for you, but it is same. Delta Q is equal to delta W. How much net heat is there, as much net work will be there. How much net heat is there, as much net work will be there. Okay, so this is what happened. Coming to adiabatic process. Adiabatic is a complicated process where none of the parameters are kept constant. P, V, T all change. P, V, T all will change. No parameter is kept constant, but still delta Q is 0. There is a condition here. See, when pressure, volume, temperature all change, such processes we named them as polytropic processes. Do you remember it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When pressure, volume, temperature, all the three vary, it is said to be polytropic process only. So among the polytropic processes, adiabatic is the simplest process with a condition dq equal to 0. That means you are not allowed to either add heat or remove heat from the system. What is the example? Coffee flask, thermos flask is an example. So your water bottle is an example. Here, if you pour water in this bottle, 24 hours it remains hot only. So it is heat insulator. Heat insulator. That means neither heat is allowed to go outside the bottle, nor from outside heat is allowed to enter into it, at least for 24 hours. Adiabat word, Greek word, it represents heat insulating. Okay, adiabatic process means delta Q 0. Okay, sir, accepted. If delta Q is 0, that means I am not allowed to either add or remove heat from the system. I do agree. Then how can I change the state of the gas? How can I change the state of the gas, sir? Tell me. I got this doubt because you never ask. I am asking on behalf of you. How can you change the state of the gas without adding the heat or removing the heat? Is there any way?
Work.
Work done. Work done. So, see, there is a condition on heat supply or removal, but work wise, I have not given any condition. And heat and work are two different forms of the same entity called energy. So energy you can add or remove in the form of work, but you cannot do adding of heat. You cannot add heat. Okay, this process is called adiabatic process. Keep it in mind. Then here, when dq 0, du plus dw is equal to 0. So delta W is equal to minus delta U. That means all work done by the gas is at the cost of stored energy. You know you are not providing food to the gas. Delta Q 0. You have put a ban on the food supply. You are not supplying food to the gas. The gas is even then the gas is doing work. How? At the cost of stored internal energy. At the, okay. At the cost of stored internal energy, it is doing work. Understood? I can
Yes, sir.
also
Yes,
state
sir.
like this. See, I am restating du is equal to minus dw. I can write even like this. Minus dw indicates I am doing work on the gas. Right, Nana? Gas does work positive. I do work negative. Minus dw indicates I am doing the work. When I do work under adiabatic conditions, it increases the temperature. It increases the internal energy, so increases the temperature. Adiabatic compression, then temperature increases. Okay. What I do now is I am going to write an equation for adiabatic process. So erase isothermal here. Isothermal part erase.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Adiabatic process equation. Come on, sir, what is this equation? See, I told you every process is guided by one equation. Equation suggests how pressure, volume, temperature are changing. For example, isochoric process equation, volume constant, that itself is equation. Or you can write P by T equal to constant. Gay-Lussac. Next, isobaric process. What is equation? P constant. Or volume by temperature, Vt power minus 1 is equal to constant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Isothermal process. Isothermal process, what is the equation, sir? In isothermal process, pressure and volume change in such a way that PV is equal to constant. Means pressure inversely proportional to volume. You are getting like this. Pressure inversely proportional to volume. PV equal to constant is the equation. Like that, there is an equation in the adiabatic process. What is that? See, dW is PdV is equal to minus du. Always I can write mu Cv dt irrespective of process. And all processes, adiabatic is also quasi-static. Therefore, PV is equal to mu RT you can apply. Pressure, volume, temperature all are changing. So PdV plus VdP is equal to mu RTT. Now here eliminate mu dt. PdV is equal to minus Cv into mu dt. I am writing PdV plus VdP by R. PdV common. Then it will become 1 plus Cv by R is equal to minus Cv by R into VdP. Here R plus Cv. We have Cp minus Cv equal to R. Cp minus Cv equal to R. Correct? If you substitute numerator, Cp only is left over. Understand? Then this is PdV. Cp by R is equal to minus Cv by R into VdP. Cp by Cv is gamma. Gamma PdV is equal to minus VdP. This part I am erasing. Integrate, rearrange. P dP by P is equal to minus gamma dV by V. Integrate. Where to wait? The gas is adiabatic process. Gas is subjected to a change from V1 to V2 where pressures are P1, P2. It is only one process, adiabatic process, not a cycle. One process only, P1, V1, T1 to P2, V2, T2. Integrate ln P2 by P1 is equal to minus ln V2 by V1 whole power gamma. Correct? Check it in case of any doubt. Now log gets cancelled. P1 V1 power gamma equal to P2 V2 power gamma is equal to etc. Or PV power gamma is equal to constant. So during adiabatic process, pressure volume change in such a way that PV power gamma equal to constant. Gamma has only three values: 1.66, 1.4, 1.33, corresponding to mono, di, poly. Okay. Every process has an equation. Here also equation for adiabatic process. Sir, what is equation for isothermal process? PV constant ante PV power 1 is equal to constant. Gamma is gamma, you cannot say gamma there. Whereas adiabatic process equation, PV power gamma equal to constant, where gamma has three values depending upon mono, di, poly. Okay, this is the equation of adiabatic process. You can have different forms of equation of adiabatic process. Using PV equal to nRT, you can rearrange also. But that part we will discuss later. We will be discussing it later. 13/5, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, we will get one study hour also this week. So that study hour we will convert into class. We will discuss later. Closing here.
Sir,
Oh,
sir, what is the position for phase 4? Sir?
I forwarded already in the groups. Check it.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
sir, are adiabatic processes cyclic processes?
Any process it can be quasi-static, slow process. Similarly, any two, at least more than one process should be there, because the gas needs to be brought back to the initial condition. So any two processes can form a cycle. More than 22 process also can form a cycle. Cycle means bunch of processes which bring the gas back to the initial condition. Clear? Understand?
Sir, like in